Hi guys, welcome back. This is GTM. So in this video we are going to see how to install Node.js on MacBook. Before that we are going to see the simple explanation for what is Node.js and what is npm and what does npm actually do. Feel free to skip the explanation. So let's see guys. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a free open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Okay, it's built on Google's high performance V8 JavaScript engine, the same engine that powers Google Chrome. So Node.js is designed to be asynchronous and event driven. This architecture makes it extremely efficient at handling many concurrent connections with low overhead. So in simple terms, while traditional JavaScript runs only in the browser, Node.js lets you use JavaScript to build backend servers, APIs, command line tools, desktop applications, and even real-time applications like chat systems or live dashboards. Okay, so now let's see what is npm. So npm stands for Node Package Manager. It is the world's largest software registry and the default package manager for the JavaScript ecosystem. When you install Node.js, npm is automatically bundled and installed with it. Okay guys, now let's see what does npm actually do. Install third-party libraries, manages project dependencies listed in your package.json file. It runs scripts, handles version control of packages to ensure consistency across team members and deployments, allows you to publish your own packages to the registry. Now let's see how Node.js and npm work together. Node.js provides the runtime, the environment to execute your JavaScript code. npm provides the ecosystem, the tools and libraries that make development practical and fast. Okay guys, now let's install Node.js. So open any browser and search for Node.js and hit enter. You will see the Node.js website here. So click on the website. So once you reach, there was a get Node.js. Click on that. So defaultly it selected the macOS, and please check your processor which your system have. So in my case I have Apple Silicon chip ARM64. If you are using Intel chip, according to that you need to switch this. So once this is done, there was a button called macOS installer.package. Click on that. So it will starts to download. Okay guys, once it's downloaded, open the file. This is the file. So double click on that and click continue, agree, install, enter the system password, install. So once it's done, close this, and you can move the file into bin. So now open the terminal, and we need to check if the Node.js is installed or not. Please check the description and copy paste this command, node space -v, enter. So we installed version 24. Now let's check the npm version. So npm space -v, hit enter. So it's showing 11.11.0. So we successfully installed Node.js on our MacBook. We installed version 24, that is the LTS version. You can choose whichever version you want. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Let's see you in next video. Thank you guys.